In front of me is Honor Magic V6, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files that's already on your device, located in Google folder, and tap on it. Now hit Allow in the pop-up, and then select the Downloads category. As you can see, all of my downloaded files are here. Now, to open one, click on it on the left, and to manage one, use those three dots on the right. To manage multiple ones though, you can either click on this icon at the top right corner of this section, in this case yesterday, or you can hold one and tap on all the ones you want to manage. Then operate those options at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!